Well, hello YouTube. Trying to fix a amplifier for my friend. It's a Fender Basement Classic BMC. Apparently that's its model number. It makes no sense, right? It has no chassis number. What happened with this unit is, as you see right there, that black area right here, the burns. A resistor burned up and a transistor burned up. Here's the transistor right here. It's pretty much fried. I know this camera don't focus well. Please bear with my video. But I was able to get numbers off of it and cross-reference it successfully. And actually, to this burnt resistor, I did check it, and I was able to determine its resistance value as well. It's 220 ohms. But with failure analysis, like what really happened here? Why did this transistor and this resistor fry? I did find the reason for it. It's this big power resistor right here. Look at this. I can pull it right out of the board. See that? See the lead end there? That's failure analysis. That's why, you know, why there's these other related components burnt up on the board. Because this resistor, apparently the solder connection to it was no good. And when it broke, it unbalanced everything in the amplifier. And, you know, voltage got to go somewhere. So apparently that created the imbalance and forced this driver transistor, because this was a driver. There's two drivers. The other driver's down here. And then here's your finals, or your final output transistors right here. There's 4 of them. So yeah, that's my best guess. This lousy frickin' solder connection caused failure of the whole amp. And so we're going to see. I'll do an update on this and let you know how I made out with this. I could not get a schematic for this. I could not find a schematic for this anywhere. I contacted Fender, which really pissed me off. You know, they said, oh, there's dangerous voltages in there. We can't sell you a schematic for it. I'm like thinking to myself, dude, I've been doing electronics since 1977, professionally. And that's your concern? Like, are you my father or something? There's high voltages. My God. I've already been thrown across a room fixing a RF amplifier for my friend, which is over 1,000 volts DC. I was using a metal screwdriver and oops, I touched the wrong thing and I got thrown right across the room. But it is what it is. I mean, I've learned a lot more since then, you know. But yeah, they're concerned about my safety. They won't sell me a schematic for their product so I can fix it. And they were so happy to tell me that, oh yeah, you could drop it off at any one of our service centers and they'll be glad to fix it for you for probably $300-400, I'm sure. It's like, nah. What? To replace a transistor and a resistor, which costs maybe $10 total at best? And I do mean at best. So Fender, yeah. I'm not particularly fond of this company for that reason. I mean, talk about service. There is no service. Their only service is to serve themselves with their, you know, little shops out in the world that repair their equipment, because apparently they don't want anybody else touching it or fixing it. But yeah, I think I got it figured out. I think I'm going to be able to fix this amplifier. And as I said, if I get it, I will post another video of this, well, either way, I don't care. If I can fix it, I'm still going to post another video. But I believe I found, like I said, the cause, the effect, and I was able to identify the resistor and the transistor that fried. And so we'll see what happens. I'll be buying those parts shortly, and hopefully, if I fix this, my band member will be very happy with me, because this head generally sells for over $1,000 used. So we'll see what happens. Again, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along. Please subscribe, and we'll see if we can't fix this puppy, okay? Have a good night. Bye-bye.